beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an absolutely huge makeup haul. Like, I've got a Hobbycraft bag that is literally, oh my god, about to break with all the goodies that I've bought. This has really been, to be fair, apart from when I've done like an exclusive haul for something, this has really been since this full year. It's like this, the past like 4 months. So it might look like a lot. I mean, it is still a lot for 4 months, but yeah, whatever. If you are new here, by the way, hello. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and turn the notification bell on. I'll be back tomorrow with another haul, and tomorrow will be a PR haul. I think it is officially the last one of haul week, and then I can get back into my normal videos. I'm sorry that I missed yesterday's. It was just a crazy day. So yeah, I'm back at it again. I'm literally filming this at 8:10 as well, just so I can get a video up tonight for you. So if it's a little bit late, then that is the reason why. But let's just get straight into it. If you wonder what's on my lips, because I am really impressed with this lip combination that I've just put on. I've got on the Vive Bark lip liner, and then the Charlotte Tilbury Angel Alessandra lipstick, and then the Fenty Beauty gloss in Cheeky. Such a nice combination. I've never ever tried it before, and my highlighter is Huda Beauty Shine Bright, just in case you're wondering, because it is blinded. Right, let's get straight into it. So the first thing I'll show you is something that I actually got today in the post. I got this off Depop. I think it was like £12, £15, and this is the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. This is the shade 40 WY because I'm a yellow undertone, and this is just what it looks like. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. This is only being used once, and obviously it's hygienic because she's literally pumped it and that's it. So like, it's not like it's like a stick or anything. So yeah, for the price I was like, yes please. So I picked that up, and that came today, which I'm really happy about. I'm going to try that, I think, tomorrow. I also got this many moons ago. This is the Urban Decay Moon Dust palette, and this went up on Boots as like a little fault. It went up as 3 for £30 instead of £36 each, and I think they might be discontinuing this. So I actually got this off my Patreon Lucy, I think it was. This was like ages and ages ago, and she got it for 3 for £30. And it was only up for like a short period of time, and then they changed it back to the full price. So I bought one off her. So thank you so much, Lucy. I'm 100% sure it was Lucy. If not, I am sorry, but I'm pretty sure it was Lucy. It was many months ago though. So the next thing that I got is some goodies from P. Louise. And I can't remember what was going on. There was like a big sale on. So they had like the bases and stuff down to 50p. So I picked up my first ever lip base. This was before I got the budget box as well. I'll leave that link down below if you want to go check it out. I literally put it up in the past week, but it's so good for the price. Like, you'll definitely want to get the next one. So I got the lip base in the shade Stark Naked, which looks beautiful. That will go really, really well with this lip liner as well, because it is kind of like an orangey, peachy, more kind of nude. And then I picked up 3 more of her bases, because people use these ones as liquid blushes. So I was like, yes please. And to be fair, it's all Jodie's fault because she uses liquid blusher and it just makes me want liquid blusher. So I got them, and they were only £5. So we have the shades Pretty in Pink, Cute in Coral, and Pretentious Peach as well. Super excited to finally try them now that I've done my little haul. And I also picked up the missing lip kit that I needed because I have the other one. So I was like, well, I'm going to get this one too. This one is, I think it was half price, but this one is in the shade First Class. And I already have the other one. I haven't actually opened this. Should we have a little look together? Ooh. So we have the little lip liner in the shade Achievement, which is, oh, I don't know if you can see that, but a nice brownie colour. Just me in a nutshell. Oh, and then we also have the lipstick. This one is in Heights. Oh, this lip combination looks so much better than the other one. So I would actually recommend this one over the other duo. Next up, which will be something that I will definitely be trying out this week for you, and it's the brand new Bperfect Manifest Dream Big palette. I have done a full video on the smaller version of like their Manifest palette, so I'll leave a link down below because the look that I did with that was really, really nice, not gonna lie. So yeah, this is the brand new massive one, so I'm really excited. I'll do a full kind of reveal and swatches and stuff in a video this week. But yeah, that is coming, don't you worry. I have also started a vlog channel. I haven't uploaded to it yet, but I will be. So what I'm going to be doing for the meanwhile, just to let you know, is I'm going to be uploading any vlogs straight away to my vlog channel, and then if I have a gap where I could upload a vlog onto this channel, then I'll do like both and I'll upload it there and here. But really, I'd go follow me over my vlog channel. I'll leave it linked down below. It's called Life with Luce, which is an amazing name. Thank you so much for Stacey, my Patreon, for picking that for me. But yeah, I'll leave it linked down below if you want to go check it out. I also picked up these to do a review on and never actually got round to it, so let me know if you still want me to do it. Oh, and I got my nails done yesterday, which I haven't told you about, but yeah, I got my nails done yesterday as well. So these are the Revolution Pro Rockstar Noir and Nude palette, so let me know if you want me to do a video on that, because I definitely would do like a little duo upload with it. The next three are Huda Beauty palettes, because I was just a little bit naughty and there was a deal on that I couldn't miss. The first one I'm going to show you is the Mercury Retrograde one, and this one is, oh my god, it is beautiful. And I bought this off one of Alex's patrons, I believe. I can't remember who it was, because I'm not going to lie, it was months and months and months ago that I bought this. I've like stuck my fingers in, but I haven't actually like tried it on my lids. So again, let me know if you want me to do like a little 4 series of Huda Beauty big palettes, because I also picked up, when there was a fault on the Feel Unique website, I picked up the 3 of the palettes that I needed from the collection as well, because these got reduced from like 50 something to, I want to say like £16, £18, but again, this was many moons ago, and they actually started cancelling people's orders, but I actually got mine, so it came next day delivery to like my nearest Asda store, so mine had already been shipped by this point, so I think that's the only reason that I kind of got away with it. But then some people who got it shipped to the house still managed to get away with it, and then some people most people really got the orders cancelled, so I don't really know how it did it. But obviously I picked up the new Nude palette, I also got the Rose Gold palette remastered, and also the Desert Dusk palette as well. So yeah, let me know if you want to do a little 4-day series on Huda Beauty. The next 2 are ASOS boxes. I feel like these have been like gold dust to get our hands on as well. And I've done a full individual video on, have I? I don't think I have done a full individual video on these. No, I haven't. I was going to, and then I just got that many videos that I needed to kind of upload and get up. I think I just kind of got sidetracked. So I'll show you what's in it. So the first one that I got is the little skincare one. So this was £12, and in it you get a full-size LMS Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, which I am so excited to use. I'm already like on the go with a Clinique cleansing balm, so once that's over and done with, it's only a little baby one, then I think I might try this one next. I love the colour of it as well. So that's that one. It's good with this box because it had like a skincare product for every step of the process, so cleanser, exfoliator, serum, moisturiser and SPF. So let's go on to exfoliator next. So the exfoliator is the Alpha H Micro Super Scrub for face and body with bamboo extract, and then for the serum we have the Hydrating Serum Mist, which to be honest with you I might put into a giveaway, because I just have that many serums and pixie ones and stuff that I need to get through. I'm probably not going to get through that in time. And then for the moisturiser, we have a Sunday Riley product, which is crazy for a £12 box. This is the creme, I don't know. This just says Ice Sunday Riley. I don't actually know. It just says moisturising cream. And this is an 8-gram little tub. And then last but certainly not least is your SPF. Don't forget your SPF. I'm currently using just a little La Roche-Posay one up at the moment. So this is the Caudalie 50 SPF, and it says anti-wrinkle, and it's good for sensitive skin and water resistant. So that is in the first box. The second box, definitely more my cup of tea. The second box that I bought, I mean, the first box was a bargain, but this has more makeup in it, and you don't know what I am like. So this is the Get Fresh Faced for Spring box, and this is what she looks like. And in it, to begin with, probably the thing that I was probably most excited for is the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara, because I used to work for Benefit back in the day, if you've known me for that long, and I wanted to know what the difference was between this and their normal They're Real. Like, is it just repackaging? Like, is it just not that much different? Like, do you know what I mean? So let me know if you want to do a video testing this or comparing it to the real like the real one, like the original one, because obviously this is like a magnet version or something as well. So yeah, we got that. And then we have the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, a little 7ml sample. Then we have a full-size coconut setting powder from Ciate, the Everyday Vacay one. I'm obsessed. I've realised recently when I've been rearranging my bedroom, I'm obsessed with setting powders. I've got like a full, like there's no need, I was going to get my drawer out, but you don't need to see that. I will be doing a full like tour and everything of my new setup when it's all done, but it might take a while, so just bear with me, please. And then we also have a full-size palette from Morphe. This is the 9V Vintage Rose one, which again, I'll probably put into my giveaway pile for use because I definitely don't need it. And obviously I can try the other things that I got in this palette. And then last but certainly, last but certainly at least, we have the Sleek Lip Evolve Gloss. And this is meant to be a transforming lip topper, so I don't really know how it works. And it just says it's in the shade Loud and Clear. So that's something different to try as well. So that was what was in that second ASOS box. I've now ended up paying for next day delivery for the full year from ASOS as well. So any future boxes that tickle my pickle, I'll definitely pick up, and I will start doing like individual videos on them if you want me to. Just let me know because I will do that for you. There was also an offer on Boots many moons ago. Again, like I said, a lot of these things that I've bought haven't been that recent, to be fair. A lot of them are from quite a while back, but there was like some kind of offer on Boots, and I ended up picking up quite a few different things, and I'm sure it was like buy one get one free, but also I'm sure it was like buy one get one free, but then I also used my points for it as well. So I got like £60 worth of makeup for 30 quid, but then actually didn't pay anything because I used my points for it as well. It was a crazy time. But I picked up 4 things. I'm sure that's what the offer was, but I know I got it all for free anyway because I used my points. So the first thing that I got is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. This is beautiful. This is the Ultimate Utopia palette. And oh my god, the colours in this are just gorgeous. Like, look at that. She is absolutely beautiful. Like, there's not even enough words for it. So I got that. I also got the NYX Honey Dew Me Up primer because one of my patrons, Lizzie, absolutely loves this, and yeah, if Lizzie loves it, then I get it. Just simple as that, really. And then I got this because of TikTok, and I've never done a video on it. Welcome to my life. And this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Powder in a Foundation, and yeah, that's just what it looks like. And I got mine in the shade, because the shades are dead funny. I got mine in the shade 20 Ivory, if that helps anybody at all. Again, haven't tried it. Welcome to my life. Again, another one that I picked up to try on TikTok. This is the NYX, the Brow Glue. I have actually tried this one, just not like on TikTok, which is what I bought it for. But yeah, this one is what everyone's trying to get their hands on at the moment, but you can get it on ASOS. It's in stock on there in case you're wondering. And then what else did I get? Oh, when I went and got my brows done, when we kind of opened back up for non-essential appointments and shops and stuff in England, I'll go to my friend's salon to get my brows done, and she sells Huda Beauty. So whilst I was there, I picked up this, which is their Showstopper Volumizing Mascara. So again, if you want me to do a video testing this, let me know. I can do a little mascara review for it. But I'll also be doing a full face of Huda Beauty anyways, so I will combine the two if you want me to, or I can do them both separately. It's entirely up to you. Let me know down below. I picked up this as well when I ordered the Bperfect palette. This is the Kash Beauty Rust Nude Secret Treasure Lip Kit. The packaging for this is beautiful. Really, really looks really, really good quality. This is what it looks like. So you get a little lip liner and a lipstick, and it is beautiful. I'm so glad that I've done this haul. I mean, I've already wore this because I couldn't help myself because this is just unreal. Like, I want to get all of her lip kits, and I just think she has the best lip combinations ever, and I just love her. I just love her. And then obviously this is what the lip liner looks like, and I just swatch it. They're so creamy. It's this like bigger swatch. Oh, beautiful. Really, really nice. So yeah, I wouldn't mind picking up some other ones. She also is sold on Beauty Bay too, but I had like a 30% off discount code when I ordered on Bperfect, so obviously I used that and picked up my first ever product from Kash Beauty. And then I also got many moons ago, like many moons ago when it first ever launched, the 35S palette from Morphe. Again, to do a tutorial, and I never did it. Welcome to my life. And yeah, again, same thing. If you want me to do a look with this and a video on it, please do let me know. I feel like I push myself when it comes to like doing eyeshadow looks on YouTube. So if you want me to do a video on it, let me know. As you can see, she has not even been touched. I think I did a little video showing her on TikTok, and that was about it. Never got around to actually playing with her. So yeah, let me know. Rude. I know you've missed me, but Jesus. There we go. Caught in my hair. So I got that as well. And then last but certainly not least, my beautiful, beautiful friend Claire sent me this palette. This is the Sample Beauty, the Painter's palette. God bless her. She sent me it, and it was back when everything was happening with my nana, and it was just so nice. I just felt like somebody was just sending me a hug through the post. I don't know how to explain it, but it was just so lovely. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. It's actually on sale on Beauty Bay at the moment, so if you want to check it out, I think it's like £14, £15, something like that, on Beauty Bay. But she's beautiful, and I've already stuck my finger in a couple of the shades. But yeah, I will be doing a video on that again. If you want me to, let me know down below what you want to see, like ultimately the first, because as you can see, I'm surrounded by a lot of things and I don't know where to start. That's always my problem. And I think that is everything out of our hobby craft bag done. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow, tomorrow won't actually be a haul. Just remember, tomorrow is actually a collab with my Patreons. So it's going to be a makeup look using products that I forgot about. Completely forgot about that. So yeah, there won't be the PR haul tomorrow. It'll have to be the day after. What day is that? Thursday. It'll have to be the day after. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully will see you in tomorrow's video. And it'll also be, like I said, a collab with my beautiful patrons. So some of them will have been doing some Instagram posts with makeup that they forgot about, and also some YouTube videos as well. So there'll be loads and loads and loads of content for you to watch tomorrow from my beautiful patrons. So again, thank you so much to everyone for watching, and thank you to my patrons for just being so lovely as always. And I love you all, and I shall see you tomorrow. Please do, and follow my vlog channel. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, love you, bye.